So we can do this also. All right. So Anirudh has also come. So I was telling you that I'm having two, one boy and one girl. What the people are doing? They're just dancing. So on this day in the evening, we people are sitting near the bonfire and we are eating all these eatables. जो भी हमारी ये eatables हैं, हम लोग इनको खाते हैं. And we used to do this dance, bhangra and all. Okay, so now you know Festival of Lodi is a very popular Punjabi festival celebrated with great joy and happiness. Lodi is celebrated in winters when day becomes shortest and nights become longest. In this festival, people celebrate the harvest of crops by lighting a bonfire, singing and dancing in praise of दूल्हा पट्टी वाला. सबने सुना है ना दूल्हा पट्टी वाला? हम स्कूल में गाते थे, है ना?
Yes.
Right. And you know, we people are staying in Punjab, so Punjab is in itself a state of colors and enthusiasm. And why not? It has the most vibrant culture and sweet people, right? Then one such festival is Lodi festival that incites a feeling of happiness and prosperity of all the people. After working hard the whole year, when it's time to harvest the fruits of their hard work, it is considered as a good opportunity to have a festival that makes the best of all the efforts of the people. Okay, few more things, few more important points which I want to discuss with you. The first one point I want to discuss, Lodi is the festival that is mainly related to harvesting of rabi crops. You know which one is that? That sugar cane जो हम खाते हैं, गन्ना होता है ना आजकल sugar cane. So उसकी harvesting होती है. The farmers and all, they are cutting that and then they are selling that in the market.
Good, ma'am.
Good afternoon, bacha. And you know, it is celebrated on, what is the date today when we are celebrating Lodi? It is celebrated on
13.
Yes, it is celebrated on 13th of January. It is not like that we have to check the date like on which day Diwali is coming. But if I'm talking about Lodi, then it is coming on 13th of January always. Okay. So now Lodi is mostly celebrated around a bonfire. Bonfire के आसपास करते हैं हम इस तरह से bonfire जलाते हैं हम, फिर उसके आसपास बैठकर we are just eating those eatables.
Popcorn.
Hans. All right. Women and people dance and make merry. They are just enjoying while dancing and all. All right. Then the other important, okay, food which we people are eating. What is this? What is this? We are having gachak with us. We are having peanuts with us. Then we are having popcorns and gravy, right? And if I'm saying that this, wait, bacha, wait. So which kind of eatables we are eating? We are having peanuts, we are having popcorns, then we are having gravy, and we are having gachak. Such kind of yummy items we have. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Happy Lodi to all of you. Happy Lodi to all of you.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Happy Lodi.
Good afternoon and
Okay,
happy
listen.
Lodi. Continue, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy Lodi.
Lodi.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Happy Lodi to all of you. Continue, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Important
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Okay, the other important food is to related to this Lodi is radishes. हम लोग reddish खाते हैं, white reddish on this thing. Okay, and this one which I've shown you, the good gravy, peanuts, popcorns are eaten with joy around the bonfire. Gravy or popcorns, they are eaten around the bonfire. Bonfire. Evening, we are going to do this. So, bonfire. Yes. Doing all this. And you know,
Ritu
the
ma'am, you
traditional.
are forgetting.
Fire.
Ritu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you are forgetting Til Choli.
Yes, ma'am. I'm coming to that point also. I was telling the traditional food is gachak, sarson da saag, and makki di roti. You like to eat makki di roti, everybody? खाते हो आप मक्की की
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, makki ki roti and sarson da saag. You want to see that? Look, I am going to share with you. This is sarson da saag. Can you see this? Sarson da saag. Right? If the people are cutting it, and after that, when it is ready, they will show you it is. Look, what is this? This is makki di roti.
मैंने खाया
Yes, makki di roti, and this is
मैम सरसों का साग
white. Makki di roti and sarson da saag. Yummy, sarson da saag. Green vegetable. And one more thing. Kheer. We used to eat kheer also on this day. Very nice. And one more thing which ma'am was telling us. What was that? Shh, Pehle, listen to me. Ma'am was telling us about dil rice, tilwari rice, sesame rice we used to have on this day. That's very yummy. And you know, to make it sweet, we used to add jaggery in this. So such kind of dishes we are having on this day. Til choli and all, that is the famous traditional Dharwan dishes which we used to have on this day. And in the evening, what you people have planned? What you people are doing? You must be sitting near the bonfire, and after that, you must be having all this. Pehle hum puja karenge, then we will eat. Okay, very good. So now, before starting our students, that one, whatever you people have prepared, I would like to request Principal Ma'am, and please share something with us.
स्क्रीन आ गई
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, you're muted. Okay. Hand.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Principal ma'am?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Ritu ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was requesting to you, please share something with us.
Okay, all right. I didn't hear that part.
Thanks,
Okay.
ma'am.
So all of you, happy Lori once again, bacha.
Happy Lodi, ma'am.
And in the evening,
पिलोड़ी मैम
happy Lodi. And in the Lodi, okay.
मैम
In the evening, when you will be lighting a fire and celebrating Lodi, you will be doing it. All of you will be doing, I'm sure, in a traditional way. You will be putting ravery, gachak, popcorns into that fire, and then you will be praying for everyone's safety, everyone's good health, long life, and happiness. Not only for you, for your family, for your friends, and then you will be praying for the universe to be good to the human beings. But then nature, universe can be good to human beings only if we all are good to it. If we always are polluting it, eating wrong foods, disturbing the circle of the nature, then nature will show its colors again and again, the way it has shown this time. This has happened because we all human beings, we did things which we should not have done. We all ate foods which we should not have. and we disturb the very, the basic of the nature. And that is how the nature said that, okay, I've had enough now. This is going to happen. Because from years and years, it was tolerating the bad things that we human beings were doing. So now onwards, in the evening, we will tell in front of the fire, we'll take a pledge that we will be good human beings. We will not do things which will disturb nature, includes everything. Do not pollute the air, do not pollute the water. And along with that, very important thing is that our thoughts should be pure. They should be pure for everyone. Not only when we want something from others, but always we should think good for others. When your parents, when your teachers, they say something to you for your, for improving you, for making you a better person, then you should not think that this is wrong. When your friends are misbehaving, that does not mean you start misbehaving. You remain a good person. And if you are good to everyone, then and ignore them. In case they are misbehaving, ignore them. If you are a good person, others are doing wrong, you keep doing wrong, something wrong, learning to do wrong from someone, one day you will not be yourself. You'll gain something negative from everyone and you'll become a very, very bad person. Instead of that, you collect everything that others have, which is good. Their good habits, their good nature, their good speech, take it from them and gather it and become a better human being. And always remember that your brain, your body, your brain, your mind is a treasure box in which you'll be keeping everything that is nice, beautiful. It is not a garbage box where you keep hatred, wrong things, wrongdoing, wrong words. So you decide whether your mind should be a treasure box or a garbage. So I'm sure you all children are so nice. You belong to such good families. Your parents are doing the best they can for you. While sitting in your houses, you are, enjoying the warmth of the house and you're enjoying your festivals and everything, where millions and millions of children are on the road. They don't even have a roof on their heads. They don't have food to eat. So count your blessings, thank your parents and do for you much, much more than they are capable of. So always thank them and become very, very nice children. Happy, I won't say happy Lodi, otherwise you'll all start again. So, okay, enjoy your day. Okay, children, carry on, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I would like to request Vidya ma'am. Vidya ma'am, would you like to share something with us?
यस मैम। तो बच्चे, आज है लोहड़ी। आप सबको लोहड़ी की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। तो आज हम लोहड़ी को मनाते हैं। ये ऋतु मैम ने आपको बता दिया ऋतुओं की। आज किसान क्या करते हैं, पंजाब में ये त्योहार मनाया जाता है और खराबी की फसल काटी जाती है इस दिन से। और क्या है, ये आज की रात सबसे लंबी रात है। उसके बाद दिन बड़े होने शुरू हो जाएंगे और रातें छोटी होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी। तो यानी कि ये सर्दी को टाटा बाय बाय कहने वाली रात है। तो सर्दियां धीरे धीरे कम होती जाएंगी और गर्मियों की शुरुआत होगी। तो ये त्योहार पंजाब में बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। एक पुरानी कथा है जो आपने सुनी होगी कि शिवजी जी की पत्नी थी सती, तो उनके पिताजी ने शिवजी जी को अपमान किया, उनको अपने हवन में नहीं बुलाया। अपने घर में उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा हवन रखा था, वहां पे नहीं बुलाया था। तो सती माता ने उस हवन कुंड में छलांग लगाकर आत्मदाह कर लिया था, यानी कि अपने आप को जला लिया था। तो इस त्योहार में लड़कियों को अपने घर बुलाकर तोहफे देने की परंपरा भी है। और क्या करते हैं हम इस त्योहार में? पतंग उड़ाते हैं। दिन में हम पतंग भी उड़ाते हैं, पतंगे उड़ाते हैं। फिर रात को हम क्या करते हैं? रात को जो पंजाब में है, पंजाब में हम एक गाना गाते हैं ना, दुल्ला पट्टी वाला होए, दूल्हे दी धी ब्याही होए, है ना। तो दूल्हा कौन था? ये गाना हम क्यों गाते हैं? क्योंकि पंजाब में एक दूल्हा नाम का एक आदमी था, एक आदमी रहता था। वो क्या था? वो एक बागी था। बागी कैसे था? क्योंकि तब क्या था? मुसलमानों का, यानी कि अकबर का राज था। तो अकबर के राज में क्या था? जो वहां के जो बड़े लोग हुआ करते थे, यानी कि वहां का जो बड़ा सरदार था गांव का, पंजाब के गांव का सरदार था, जहाँ पे दुल्ला पट्टी रहता था, वो क्या करता था? गरीब लोगों की लड़कियों को खरीद लेता था। तो ऐसे ही एक दो लड़कियां थी, उन्होंने हिंदू लड़कियां थी। कौन थी हिंदू लड़कियां? आपको पता है? उसमें दुल्ला पट्टी में दो लड़कियां, दो गाना गाते हैं, तो दुल्हे दी धी ब्याही, शेर शक्कर पाई। तो वो दो लड़कियां आती है ना, दो लड़कियों का नाम लेते हैं। कौन कौन सी है, किसी को पता है? अब मैं भी नाम भूल, मैम नाम याद है?
मैम सुंदरी मुंदरी,
सुंदरी
मैम
सुंदरी
सुंदरी
मुंदरी,
मुंदरी,
सुंदरी सुंदरी मुंदरी दो लड़कियां थी। हाँ, सुंदरी मुंदरी दो लड़कियां थी। उनको बोला था कि ये वो उसको इनको उठाकर ले जाएगा, ये इनको खरीद कर ले जाएगा। तो उनके घर वाले बड़े परेशान हुए थे। तो दुल्ला भट्टी ने क्या किया था? उसी दिन उनकी शादी करवाई थी। उसी दिन उनकी दो हिंदू लड़कों से शादी करवाई थी। और इसलिए भी दुल्ला भट्टी को याद किया जाता है, क्योंकि उसने बहुत सारी लड़कियों को ऐसे बचाया था। तो हम तभी करके गाते हैं ना गाना, सुंदर मुंदरिये हो, तेरा कौन बेचारा हो, दुल्ला पट्टी वाला हो, दुल्हे दी धी ब्याही हो, शेर शक्कर पाई हो। ये गाना गाते हैं ना हम। तो ये इसीलिए गाते हैं ये हम दुल्ला भट्टी को याद करने के लिए गाते हैं। तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? शाम को आग जलाएंगे, लोहड़ी बनाएंगे, उनमें उसके आगे माथा टेकेंगे, जैसे प्रिंसिपल मैम ने कहा है कि अपने अच्छे भविष्य की कामना करना, क्योंकि हिंदुओं का कल से नया साल शुरू होगा। तो हम क्या करेंगे? हिंदू कैलेंडर के मुताबिक हमारा कल नया साल शुरू होगा। तो हम क्या कहेंगे? भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे कि ये साल हमारे लिए बहुत मंगलमय हो, और ये जो कोरोना है ये भाग जाए, और स्कूल खुल जाए, और हम जल्दी जल्दी स्कूल आ जाए। ओके एवरीवन, एंजॉय लोहड़ी, हैप्पी लोहड़ी।
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, बच्चा. All right. Okay, Vidya ma'am, thank you so much. Actually, this story तो मुझे भी नहीं पता थी. You have given such kind of information to us that who was Dulla Patti wala and he was having two daughters and all. So we have done this, like people are speaking, but not having any idea regarding the story. Okay, thank you so much for sharing this.
Welcome.
Now we can start with our kids function. Okay, everybody. So whatever you have prepared, you can. I'm eager to listen that what you people have prepared. Okay, so we are going to start with Vinay. Vinay of class 3. Vinay is going to present a poem. What? Nobody will unmute yourself, bacha. I muted you all. Please don't unmute yourself. Nobody will unmute. Only Vinay can unmute. Okay? Vinay, you can start, bache. You can unmute yourself. Okay, I hope there is a net issue. Vinay, you are there, bacha? I'm not able to see you. So we can start with.
Ma'am, can we come my turn?
Bacha, please don't say this. I'll give your name. Be quiet and nobody will unmute. I'm going to call Sparsh now. Sparsh of class 2. Sparsh of class 2. Sparsh, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, you can start with your poem.
Okay, ma'am. Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Happy Lodi,
to
bachcha.
you too, bacha.
Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy. तोता बरसात के ऊपर मिट्टी मिट्टी लगी कोड़ी आओ बनाए लोड़ी होय 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 बले 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 बले
Very good. Very
Very
good.
good.
God, very nice. Clap for him.
Very good, Sparsh. Very nice. Acted also. Very good, bacha.
Who was doing that dholak for you, Sparsh?
I think his mama.
Who was doing that dholak for you, Sparsh?
मैम मम्मा
Okay, okay. Very good. Continue, please.
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम
Okay, very good, Sparsh. So now we are having Vihan, class 1. Vihan is also going to share something with us. Vihan, start, class 1. Yes, Vihan, you can hear me, bache?
यस मैम
Okay, baby, start.
I am Happy Lodi, ma'am. I am Vihan Soni. I am in first standard. I am 7 years old. Today I am presenting a poem. Ice cream in a bowl, ice cream in a cone, ice cream any way I want as long favorite treat.
Very nice. We heard
Very.
Very nice.
so cold.
Absolutely.
5 times and now I am cold.
वो वहाँ पर उस पे रख दे ये से ऑन ना कर
Bluetooth mode. Very good, very good. Okay, so now we are having Jagjeevan with us. Jagjeevan want to say something, few lines on Lodi festival. Okay, Jagjeevan, everybody, bacha, please don't unmute yourself. Listen to Jagjeevan. Jagjeevan, you can unmute yourself, bacha.
Good afternoon, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. We all are gathered here to celebrate Lodi. I am Jagjeevan of class 6 and today I will represent a speech on Lodi in front of all of you. The people of Punjab celebrate Lodi with the utmost zest every year on 13th January. It is believed that the festival is celebrated on the day when days start becoming shorter and the nights start becoming longer. This festival is celebrated as the Harvest Festival, and on this day, people light bonfire, sing, and dance in joy to pay respect to the Dhulabati. Though it is the key festival of Punjabis, but some northern states of India also observe this festival, which including Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. The people of Sindhi community observe this festival as Lal Loi. Punjabi people living in various corners of the world also celebrate Lodi with same fervor. Happy Lodi, may your life be as colorful and joyful as the festival of Lodi. Happy Lodi, thank you.
Very good, Jagjeevan. Very good. Clap for her.
Very nice. Good thoughts, Jagjeevan. So now we are having Athar with us. Athar, want to sing a song with? Yes, Athar, you want to sing a song? Let's start.
Yes. Good afternoon, dear principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Song. सुंदर मुंदरिए हो तेरा कौन बेचारा हो थुल्ला पट्टी वाला हो थुले दी तीवी आई हो शेर शक्कर पाई हो थुले दे सालू पाटा हो सालू कौन समेटे हो चाचा चोरी कुट्टे हो जोरी दारा लुट्टे हो. Thank you.
Very good. So cute.
Very nice. Very good, bacha. Okay, so now we are having Sheetal. Sheetal is going to present a poem. Yes, Sheetal. Sheetal, you can hear me, bacha? Okay, I hope we can wait for Sheetal. So, by the time Adarshpreet of class 4th is here with us. She is going to present a poem. Adarshpreet, you can hear me, beta? Adarshpreet, you can hear me? Okay. All right. So now we can start. We can wait for Adarshpreet. We can start with Anshul. Anshul, class 3. She is also going to present a poem.
लोरी आई सर्दियाँ खत्म होने को आई 13 जनवरी का दिन आया एक दूजे को दी बधाई जात पात का भेद मिटाकर पंजाबियों ने मिलकर लोरी मनाई मूंगफलियां रबड़ी अग्नि में डालकर लोरी के गीत गाए भांगड़ा गिद्दा करके मस्ती में सब नाचे गाए लोरी आई सबने इसे दिल से मनाई लोरी के गीत गा मिलकर गाओ लोरी की शुभकामनाएं लेते जाओ. थैंक यू मैम.
Very good, Anshul. Very, very nice.
Very good. So now Vanshika of class 2 also want to present a poem. Yes, Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, my name is Vanshika from class 2nd. आई लोड़ी आई सबको हो बहुत बधाई लकड़ी सजा के आग लगा के फुलदे रेवड़ी खूब है खाई सबको लोड़ी की बहुत बधाई कंडा कंडा नी लकड़ियों कंडा सी इस कंडे दे नाल कलीरा सी जुग जीवे नी भाबो तेरा वीरा सी पा माई पा काले कुत्ते नू भी पा काला कुत्ता देवे बधाइयां तेरे जीवन मजियां गाइयां दिता दूध तेरे जीवन सक्के पुत्तां दी वधाइयां वोटी छम कर दी आइयां सबनू लोड़ी दी वधाइयां. थैंक यू मैम.
Very
Good. Clap for her.
Very good. Very nice, bacha. Okay, so now Nandini is there with us. You want to sing a song? Yes, Nandini. Unmute yourself, bache. Yeah, sure, beta. Dikshika, are you there, bache? You can hear me now. Vinay Dikshika.
I can start.
Okay, Nandini, you can start, bacha.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Lodi to all. Today I am going to sing song about Lodi. तिल मूंगफली गुड़ रोड़ियां तिल मूंगफली गुड़ रोड़ियां रब अरदास साडी पुत्तां दियां लोड़ियां रब अरदास साडी मन्ना लोड़ियां सबनू लोड़ी दी वधाई हो
Excellent. Nandini. You are
Very
so
good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, bacha. Very nice. You have a beautiful voice. Very good. All right. So I hope Sheetal is not here. Sheetal, are you there? She's not able to connect. Sheetal, Adarshpreet, Mayuki. You're not there. Okay. So now, Puneet ma'am, I would like to request you to share a few views with us on this festival.
ਰੰਗਾਂ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਹੈ ਇੰਦਰ ਧਨੁਸ਼ ਤੇ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਨਿਆਰੇ ਨੀਲਾ ਹਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਰੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਰੰਗ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਕਰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਵਡਾਉਂਦੇ ਜਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਮਾਨਯੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਥੀ ਅਤੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਹਰ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਦੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਸੁੰਦਰਤਾ ਤੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਸਵਾਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਸਾਲ ਜਨਵਰੀ ਦੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਮਾਘੀ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮਨਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਸਰਦੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਜ਼ੋਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਠੰਡ ਘਟਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਵਜੋਂ ਵੀ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਦੁੱਲਾ ਭੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਦੁੱਲਾ ਭੱਟੀ ਅਕਬਰ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਾਸਨਕਾਲ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਇੱਕ ਡਾਕੂ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਅਮੀਰ ਦੇ ਲੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੰਡਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਸਨੇ ਕਈ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਬਰੀ ਗੁਲਾਮੀ ਤੋਂ ਪਿੰਜਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਇਆ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਲੋਕ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਇਹ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਆਨੰਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਮਾਘ ਦੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੂਰੇ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨਾਲ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲੀ ਜਗਦੀ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਬਲਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਅੱਗ ਦੇ ਚੱਕਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਪਾਪ ਦੇ ਸਾਵਧਾਨ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਨਵੇਂ ਵਿਆਹੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਰਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਚਿੰਚਿਨ ਲੱਕੜੀ ਲਾਈ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਬੇਬੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਗ ਢੋਡੇ ਤੇ ਖੀਰ ਪਕਾਈ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੂਬ ਖਵਾਈ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਨਾਈ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਆਈ ਜੀ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਆਈ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਆਈ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਆਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
very good Puneet ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much, Puneet ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am.
So now, before leaving, I just want to share one song with you.
Can I
You all want to sing? Dulla Patti wala, जो भी मैम बता रहे थे. You want to hear?
Can I speak some line?
Yes, sure, bachcha. Who's there?
Yes, Anirudh.
Okay, Anirudh, for sure you can, bachcha.
Good afternoon, and my will speak. I hope India. It is the most famous festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on 30th January. Lohri is mostly celebrated around the bonfire. Every peanuts and popcorn are eaten with joy around the bonfire. People have to connect with the Lohri festival with the folk legend of the Dulla Bhatti. People also fly kites on this day.
Anirudh. Very nice, bacha. Very good. Everybody clap for him, bache. Very good. Okay, so everybody is ready now.
Yes, all of you will clap with it. All of you. Or if you are ready.
Come on, come on, come on. Get ready. Let's start.
चक्कर पाए Very good. Very good. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed. Girls, है ना? Very good. Okay, so you know one thing, I am right now, I am going to show this to you. I can only show you this next year. Otherwise, when you are coming to school, we'll be celebrating and we'll be eating all this as we people were eating. Last years we were having this now. करते थे खाते थे इस बार virtually we can have, but next time when you people are coming, so we will be having it double, है ना? Yes ma'am, we can have it double.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, laddus, we'll have everything. All right. Enjoy your day. And what do people have to do in the evening? You have to go near the bonfire, do puja with all this eatables and all, and then you can eat it and have fun and drink lots of water. All right? All right. Okay, so enjoy your day. Happy Lodi again, all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Once again.
Happy
Bye,
Lodi.
ma'am.
Bye. Loves you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Happy Lodi, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.